I'm going to talk about the remote bridge kit. So basically this is the bridge, this is the two remotes that it comes with, and the idea is if you want to add a button to your solution, to the Bulldog-JW solution, to open and close the valve. So I can push this button, it opens and closes the valve. I can push this as the wall mount version. It opens and closes the valve. Also, the bridge is synchronized with the Bulldog-JW controller. This is the bridge, this is the Bulldog-JW control module. So there's a button on the bridge itself. It has to be powered. This is a USB connection. Goes to a standard USB adapter. So if you change the valve condition here, turns it off, and turns off the valve there. So these two are synced, and the same on this side. So if you're down at this control module and you close the valve, it shows closed over here with the red light off. So basically the red light on means it's armed and ready, and if it's off it means the valve is closed. And I'll show you now how to you have to set up the bridge kit. So the bridge kit comes with these two already paired to the bridge, but you still have to add the synchronization routines so that when this opens and that opens, they copy each other.